Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, open an elevated command prompt so commands have system privileges. Type or paste the reset command. You'll need administrator rights because you're changing system state. You do this now to avoid permission errors later. Make sure to close running apps first. This reduces file lock issues and confirm backups. After opening the admin console, we'll execute the reset command and observe prompts carefully. You now run the core command, system reset factory reset or system reset, and press enter. This invokes Windows reset utilities. When prompted, choose keep my files to preserve documents or remove everything to fully wipe the drive. Pick based on why you're resetting. The tool explains what's removed and estimates time. Read those prompts so you're not surprised. If you selected Remove Everything, you'll see further options for cleaning the drive. Select the Secure option only if you'll recycle or sell the PC. You finish by letting the reset run. The system may restart several times and show progress percentages. Do not interrupt power. Once complete, follow initial setup prompts. If the reset stalls or fails, reboot into Windows recovery environment by holding Shift and selecting Restart, then choose Troubleshoot to rerun reset or use advanced options. If errors continue, write down any error codes and create a USB installation media to repair or reinstall. This gives you a clean fallback to restore function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.